Hello everyone. It's about that time of year to submit our gradebooks, so I just wanted to send out this video to remind you how to do that. If you teach a full year class, you'll need to unhide your classes that you have there so that they all show up. To do that, go to Edit List, and here I've got my chemistry first semester that's not currently showing up in my gradebook. So click this, uncheck this box so that it now shows my full year chemistry first and second semester. Okay, once you're done with that, be sure you click the Save button at the bottom and then go back up to your gradebook. Okay, now click on any of your classes. I'll click on my chemistry here and go to Reports down at the bottom. And once I click on Report, go up in that list and collect a Student Progress Report. Then come over here and hit Run. Once we're there, select the class or classes that you want to print out. I'm going to select my first semester and second semester chemistry classes, but you could certainly do all your classes if you had them all unhidden. And then click on the Select All. I'm going to leave my output as a PDF, but I'm going to change it to a 2-column report to save some paper. So when I submit, I'll get, depending on the number of assignments that you had per student, you'll get basically one or 2 pages per student. So if you have 25 students, maybe 25 pages or so. If you have a bunch of assignments, then you'll get more. But so you'll get that report, so you can see all 4 quarters here for that student, and you can save that file just to download it. So just download that file, give it a name, and save it. And then we'll see what we do with them after that. Or we could just print them out. All right, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please send me an email or come see me, and I'll see if I can get you all fixed up. Thanks. Bye.